Flutter, a comprehensive guide. Introduction. Flutter is an open-source UI software development kit, SDK, created by Google that allows developers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, iOS and Android, web, desktop, and embedded devices using a single codebase. Since its introduction in 2017, Flutter has gained immense popularity due to its flexibility, fast development cycle, and ability to create beautiful, high-performance applications. Unlike traditional cross-platform frameworks that rely on web technologies or bridge-based solutions, Flutter compiles directly to native machine code, providing near-native performance. It is powered by the Dart programming language and the Skia graphics engine, ensuring smooth UI rendering and fast execution. This guide will provide an in-depth look into Flutter, covering its architecture, components, features, advantages, disadvantages, and real-world applications. 1. Flutter architecture. Flutter's architecture is designed for high performance and flexibility. It consists of the following layers. 1.1 Flutter Engine. At the core of Flutter is the Flutter engine, which is primarily written in C++. It is responsible for rendering UI using the Skia graphics library, managing text and layout using Text Layout and Scene Builder, handling low-level animations, gestures, and touch input, communicating with platform-specific APIs using platform channels. 1.2 Framework Layer. Flutter provides a rich set of pre-designed UI components and utilities in its framework, written in Dart. The framework consists of 3 primary layers. Widgets layer. This is the highest level layer, containing Flutter's core UI components, e.g. buttons, text fields, layouts. Rendering layer converts widgets into a tree of render objects, which are then painted on the screen. Foundation layer provides basic utilities like animations, gestures, and theming. 1.3 Embedder. The embedder allows Flutter to run on different platforms: iOS, Android, web, Windows, macOS, Linux. It interacts with native OS APIs to handle input, rendering surfaces, and app lifecycle events.
2. Flutter's core. Concepts. Flutter introduces several unique concepts that set it apart from other frameworks. 2.1 Widget-based UI. In Flutter, everything is a widget. A widget is a UI component that describes part of the user interface. Widgets can be stateless widgets, e.g. text, image, immutable widgets that don't change dynamically, stateful widgets, e.g. buttons, forms, widgets that maintain state and update dynamically. Widgets are composed into a widget tree, where parent widgets define the layout and appearance of child widgets. 2.2 Hot Reload. One of Flutter's most powerful features is Hot Reload, which allows developers to see code changes instantly without restarting the app. This drastically improves development speed. 2.3 Dart programming language. Flutter is built using Dart, a modern, object-oriented language developed by Google. Dart offers features like ahead-of-time, AOT compilation, compiles directly to machine code for faster execution. Just-in-time, JIT compilation, enables hot reload during development. Garbage collection and memory management, improves performance and efficiency. Strong typing and null safety, reduces runtime errors. 2.4 Skia graphics engine. Flutter uses Skia, a powerful 2D rendering engine, to draw UI elements. Skia ensures smooth animations and high-performance rendering at 60 FPS or 120 FPS. 2.5 Platform channels. Flutter can communicate with native Android and iOS code using platform channels, allowing developers to access platform-specific APIs and features like camera, GPS, Bluetooth, and more.
3. Advantages of Flutter. Flutter offers several advantages over other cross-platform frameworks. 3.1 Single codebase. Developers can write one codebase that runs on Android, iOS, web, and desktop, reducing development time and effort. 3.2 Fast Performance Flutter compiles directly to native code, ARM, x86, without using a bridge, like React Native, resulting in near-native performance. 3.3 Beautiful UI with custom widgets. Flutter provides customizable widgets for creating visually appealing UIs. It supports Material Design, Google, and Cupertino, iOS styles. 3.4 Hot Reload for faster development. Hot Reload allows developers to make real-time changes without restarting the app, enhancing productivity. 3.5 Strong community and Google support. Flutter is backed by Google and has a large, active developer community, ensuring continuous updates and improvements. 3.6 Reduce testing effort. With a single codebase for multiple platforms, developers need to test only once, reducing testing efforts. 4. Disadvantages of Flutter. Despite its benefits, Flutter has some limitations. 4.1 Large app size. Flutter apps tend to be larger in size compared to native apps due to the inclusion of the Flutter engine. 4.2 Limited native features. While Flutter provides many platform integrations, some native features require additional plugins or custom implementations. 4.3 Dart language adoption. Dart is not as widely used as JavaScript, Java, or Kotlin, making it less familiar to developers. 4.4 Web performance limitations. Flutter for web is still improving, and performance may not be as optimized as native web frameworks like React or Angular. 5. Real-world applications of Flutter. Several companies and organizations use Flutter for their applications. 5.1 Popular apps built with Flutter. Google Pay, mobile payment application by Google. BMW app, car management app for BMW vehicles. eBay Motors, eBay's automotive marketplace app. Alibaba, e-commerce giant using Flutter for some apps. Reflectly, AI-powered journaling app. 5.2 Use cases for Flutter startups and MVPs. Faster time to market with a single codebase. Enterprise applications. Cost-effective cross-platform development. Embedded systems, used in IoT devices, automotive and smart screens. Game development. Lightweight 2D games with Flutter's animation framework.
6. Setting up Flutter. 6.1 Installation. To start with Flutter, install it on your system. Download Flutter SDK from flutter.dev. Extract and set up environment variables. Install Dart and required dependencies. Run Flutter Doctor to verify setup. Use Flutter Create My App to create a new project. 6.2 Running a sample app. Run the app using Flutter Run.
See conclusion. Flutter is revolutionizing cross-platform development by providing high-performance, beautiful UIs, and rapid development with a single codebase. Its popularity continues to grow, making it an excellent choice for modern app development. Whether you're a startup looking to build an MVP quickly or a large enterprise seeking an efficient cross-platform solution, Flutter is a powerful framework worth considering.